They call it drafting. I call it the first act of legal warfare. Most young lawyers are told drafting is the back office. Prepare the petition, the senior will argue, but let me tell you something. The lawyer who truly understands power knows this: the courtroom is won before a word is spoken aloud. Drafting is not clerical. It is strategic combat, done with ink, not sound. We have created a false divide in law practice. Drafting is for the office, oral arguments are for the court. But I ask you, when you walk into the courtroom, what do you carry in your hands? A piece of paper, your petition, your written submissions, your reply. That paper is your sword. Judges don't remember your theatrics. They remember your points, your paragraphs, your precision. And all of that begins at the drafting table. Every petition is a battleground. The first page, that's your opening strike. The prayer, that's your flag on the hill. When I draft, I don't just write facts. I arrange reality in such a way that the judge sees the world from where I stand. Drafting is how you frame the dharma of your case. You eliminate distractions, you expose injustice, you guide the mind of the bench before you ever open your mouth. This is where juniors go wrong. They copy paste, they repeat precedents. But great drafting is never recycled. It is tailored, sharp, surgical. You must think like a strategist, not a clerk. Every word you include must serve one of the three functions. 1. Build credibility. 2. Apply pressure. 3. Anchor the outcome. A bad draft cannot be rescued by a good argument. But a sharp draft can win, even when your voice trembles. When I draft, I am not filing a petition. I am issuing a summons to justice. The document must carry your signature of strategy. Judges must read it and know this defense counsel does not waste words. This counsel does not bluff. This counsel has already seen the end game. That's how you rise in this profession, not by noise, not by networking, but by undeniability. Clarity of your legal thought, written and structured like a tactician who respects the bench but never retreats. Next time you sit down to draft, don't see it as a paperwork. See it as battlecraft. You are not just preparing a file, you are crafting a battlefield. In the Supreme Court, speech may echo, but documents endure, and only those who command the page command the court. Draft like a rope depends on it, because in truth it does. This is Amod Bidhuri, and this is the next hearing, where law meets strategy and strategy meets dharma. Until next time, draft like a general, plead like a warrior, walk like the verdict is already yours.